Hey, how are you? Great to have you with us. This is Brendan from Strong Fencing and Gates. Strong Fencing specialise in these custom style gates. We've got this Greyfriars Coloursteel fence, which is really cool, 1.2 high, stop the doggy from escaping. And we've gone and put in a 4.4 metre wide opening for a sliding gate. And you can see this gate has got the sheets inserted inside. You can see it's got the actual rail that goes with the fence. See that rail, that bottom rail? Well, we create a frame and we just put that bottom rail in the bottom and we slide the sheets inside. And that's what it looks like. It's also got this rub rail on top, which is a piece of 6mm by 16mm aluminium, and that's for rubbing on the rollers. You can see the rollers here. These little side mounted rollers, all the hardware has been powder coated Greyfriars as well. And you can see down there, we've got a little stopper down the end there. So, this has got the low profile wheels. You can see these wheels down here. See? Only about 40mm clearance, 40 to 50mm clearance. So that's the low profile look. You can get these different kinds of wheels that leave like a 90mm gap underneath, but this particular one has got the low profile, and you can see it's got one subdivision in the middle. You need that for strength. If you don't have that, then might get a bit saggy in the middle, so it's always good to have a subdivision on something that's 4 meters wide like this. But yeah, we made this gate, and also got these steel posts powder coated, so everything's matching. Everything looks fantastic. So I'm going to hit the code on the gate and let's have a look. There we go. Very quiet as it glides along. So we had to extend the track out, obviously over there with the concrete strip. So often when we do concrete strips, we'll just do the whole front. So if this is like, there's no use just finishing it there. We might as well just continue it the whole way. So the customer's got like a concrete strip underneath their fence. But yeah, so this is the Coloursteel Greyfriars sliding gate with matching fence. And Coloursteel is actually a really good economical way to do gates. The sheets don't cost an arm and a leg like aluminium does, so this could be a really good option if you're wanting to put something into your property. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.